Blues guitar is a genre that holds a special place in the hearts of music lovers. Its soulful melodies, raw emotions, and expressive techniques have captivated audiences for generations. In this article, we will delve into the rich history of blues guitar and explore how it has shaped the landscape of music as we know it today. The origins of blues guitar. The roots of blues guitar can be traced back to African American communities in the southern United States during the late 19th century. It emerged as a form of musical expression for African Americans who were dealing with hardships such as slavery and segregation. The deep emotional resonance found in blues guitar allowed individuals to convey their pain, hope, and joy through heartfelt melodies. Influences on early blues guitarists. Early blues guitarists drew inspiration from various sources including traditional African music, spirituals, work songs, field hollers, and folk ballads. These influences fused together to create a unique sound characterized by powerful vocals accompanied by intricate fingerpicking patterns on acoustic guitars. Impact on music history. Blues guitar played a pivotal role in shaping music history by influencing numerous genres that followed its inception. From rock and roll to jazz and even country music, elements borrowed from blues guitar can be heard throughout these genres. Transitioning into electric blues. In the early 20th century, advancements in technology led to the invention of electric guitars amplifiers which revolutionized blues music forever. Artists like Muddy Waters and B.B. King embraced this new sound and paved the way for what would become known as electric blues. Notable blues guitarists. The world has been blessed with exceptionally talented blues guitarists who have left an indelible mark on both their contemporaries and future generations alike. Robert Johnson. Considered one of the pioneers of blues guitar, Robert Johnson's hauntingly beautiful compositions and intricate fingerpicking techniques continue to inspire musicians today. B.B. King. Known as the King of Blues, B.B. King's soulful playing style and heartfelt vocals captivated audiences worldwide. His influence can be heard in countless musicians across various genres. Stevie Ray Vaughan. A modern-day legend, Stevie Ray Vaughan breathed new life into blues guitar with his fiery solos and passionate performances. Techniques and expressions. Blues guitar is characterized by unique techniques such as bending strings, vibrato, sliding notes, and call and response patterns. These techniques allow players to infuse their music with raw emotion, creating a powerful connection with listeners. The emotional journey. Listening to blues guitar takes us on an emotional journey unlike any other genre. It allows us to feel the pain, struggle, resilience, and hope that are deeply ingrained within its melodies. Legacy in contemporary music. Blues guitar continues to shape contemporary music in ways we may not always recognize outright but are undeniably present. Artists from various genres borrow elements from blues guitar to add depth and authenticity to their own compositions. Conclusion. The soulful journey of blues guitar has left an indelible mark on music history by providing a platform for expression during times of hardship while influencing numerous genres that followed its inception. From its humble origins among African American communities in the southern United States to becoming a globally recognized art form loved by millions worldwide, it is clear that the impact of blues guitar cannot be overstated. So whether you're a musician seeking inspiration or simply someone who appreciates heartfelt melodies filled with raw emotions, exploring the world of blues guitar will undoubtedly enrich your musical experience like no other genre can do justice.